Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to Rennie Gold Crypto. In today's video we are going to talk about the latest SUI Airdrop scam. It will be highly valuable for you to stick to the end of this video because I'm going to tell you guys about a man, Brian, that is scamming a lot of people. Okay, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because we talk about crypto and every other thing that you may like about crypto. Go check us out and we make predictions on here as well, so make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification. A lot of people have not been picking up the latest scam, the latest SUI Airdrop scam that is out there in all social media platforms, and I'm here to unravel everything. So right on this channel, if you're new here, we talk about a lot of things about crypto, airdrops, like many things that you may like, okay? And analyzing the crypto market is one of my area of expertise. If that interests you so much, make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification. Make sure you give me the like button, smash the like button so hard. So let me unravel everything to you guys so you guys can be very careful. This is really serious. So guys, there is this particular person on Twitter, okay? I'm not going to call him a scammer, okay? But I'm going to just type his name right here. Let me go grab that real quick. Okay, that's him. His name is Brian Harrison. Okay, Brian Harrison, if you're watching this video right now, I'm not actually calling you a scammer, but I think there's a misinformation right here which I want to try my best to unravel. So coming right here, guys, you can see that this particular person has been posting a lot of airdrops, okay, that I think that may not be kind of legit. Okay, so coming right here, I want to show you guys the SUI Airdrop scam, okay, which I think is misinformation because I'm not going to call him a scammer. Okay, so coming right here, guys, you can see something. I'm trying to get it as fast as I can. So you can see that he said that he was able to get about $67,000 this on SUI Airdrop right here. So I then I tried my best as much as I can to verify this. Then coming to this particular place right here, you can see a website right here which the name is suifinance.org. okay, as at that time I tried opening the site. So when I opened this particular site, okay, I think I saw something like connect your wallet or some certain stuff like that. Then I now knew that this was actually a scam site. So coming on here, okay, let's go back to that post. You will see that there are some of the friends, his friends that are kind of saying, yeah, they claim the airdrop, $2,000 airdrop and many of that. Okay, you can see someone telling thanks for the airdrop and many of that stuff like that. So with all this information, I feel that this is too much, okay, to be on Twitter. And this particular person is even, I think, is verified. Okay, he's not verified right now. Okay, as at that time, okay, this person was verified. Okay, I saw that ticker symbol of the verification mark. Okay, so this person was verified as at that time. So right now I can't find that ticker symbol anymore. I think Twitter, I think maybe he's paying for that particular verification badge. Okay, you can pay for it if you are on Twitter. So that's just it, guys. This particular one right here, have in mind that coming to all the whole SUI airdrop that is there in the market, okay, if you want to select the right one doesn't give you a website, okay, that the name is org. Okay, if you want to claim the airdrop, that through airdrop is usually coming from the wallet, the testnet wallet, which you would download even in your computer. Then after downloading that, then you get to claim the airdrop through the testnet. But at this point, claiming airdrops on SUI is really hard because there are a multitude of people that are actually coming by to claim this airdrop as well. So that is the reason why a lot of people are not opportuned. As at last 3 months, okay, I talked about SUI before it started going mainstream. So you guys should be really careful. There are a lot of other scams related to this particular one. So have in mind that they can't tell you to connect your Trust Wallet or MetaMask if you want to claim the SUI airdrop. There is no way you can connect your Trust Wallet or MetaMask to claim the airdrop. Have this in mind. You must download that SUI wallet on your computer and through them, that's on their testnet, you can claim everything you want. Okay, I don't know if the airdrop is still ongoing right now, but I'm telling you guys the procedure. So make sure you are very, very careful out there in the market, because there are many people out there that are there to scam you. There are a lot of misinformation out there which you can take after getting yourself involved in that stuff. It gets to wipe all your money away. So coming to the way they are saying here, you have to connect your wallet, your MetaMask or Trust wallet. So and you have to sign airdrop transaction. If you sign that transaction by approving it, it will wipe all your funds away. All of your assets will be wiped off. Okay, so that is what they call the smart contract. Malicious code, malicious whatever hacking or what they call it, but I think that is from the smart contract. Okay, they have a code, a malicious code which they are using to carry out this whole stuff, and that malicious code is called a command line. So you guys should be really careful out there. So this particular SUI airdrop scam, there are many of them. I mean, there are multitude of them in the crypto market. There are multitude of them on YouTube. Okay, I'm just telling you guys so you can get to be careful. There are many of them. There are ones that will tell you, okay, you have to get on the site and connect your Trust wallet. There's no way you can connect your Trust wallet and claim the SUI airdrop. It's not possible, because we are getting this airdrop from their testnet, meaning that you have to do your very best to make sure you download the SUI wallet. Remember, SUI has got their own blockchain. Okay, so they have their own blockchain, so they are looking for people to to test run many things for them, and so to make sure that everything is up and running. So in this case, why are you coming on Trust wallet to claim the airdrop, and what's the purpose of you getting on there? So are you getting on there because you want to test run the testnet on Trust wallet, which cannot be possible? So you have to make sure you download the SUI wallet on your computer. Through there you can get to claim the airdrop from the testnet. So guys, make sure you subscribe if you are finding value, and make sure you are careful out there. Subscribe and turn the bell notification. Share this video to all of your friends, and catch you on the next one.